Welcome to the geography of Guam. Guam is a U.S. territory located in the South Pacific Ocean. The closest major country to Guam is the Philippines, which is about 2,000 miles west. The mainland United States is located 6,000 miles away. Guam is also called Guahan, which means we have in the native language of the Chamorro people. This is the flag. Let's break it down. Guam's flag was adopted in 1948. The coat of arms shows a boat sailing into a bay with a palm tree. Some people believe the boat and the palm tree represents tourism, while some believe it represents the colonization, but none is confirmed. The emblem shape is an almond, to represent the stones they used to slingshot when they first settled the area. The capital of Guam is Hagantia. It has a population of just over 1,000 people. The largest city, however, is Dayado, with over 44,000 people. Let's take it over to Connor, where he's going to show you the physical features.
Hi, it's me, Connor. We're here with the physical features. Alright. Guam is sharply divided into two regions, the northern limestone plateau and the southern volcanic hills. Alright, Guam has a general elevation of about 500 feet or 150 meters, if you're rocking with that. Mount Lam Lam is the highest peak in Guam.
Lam Lam.
It rises 406 meters or 1,332 feet, and the lowest point in Guam is the Pacific Ocean. Some of the most popular landmarks in Guam include Two Lovers Point, Plaza de España, and Asan Bay Overlook. Major bodies of water in Guam include the Yukon River, the Talufofo River.
The Talufofo is the longest river in Guam, and it has a really long name, Talufofo.
Some of the bigger bodies of water in Guam include the Fina Lake Reservoir, the Lost Pond, and the San Carlos Falls swimming hole. The Guam national animal is the fruit dove, and some of the more unique species on Guam include the coconut crabs, the Guam rail, the Micronesian kingfisher, and the Guam scorpionfish. Guam's biome is a tropical dry forest, which consists of mostly ravine forests that form long valleys and ravines. And now we have the history of Guam.
Get on my seat, boys! Guam. The history of Guam. Some famous people are Donovan Patton, Joe Duarte, Rickard Blas Jr., Paul Quinn. Spain used to own Guam, and it kind of looks a bit like this. Bro, we're losing the war, man. I don't know what to do. U.S. took over Guam. The governor of Guam is Lu Leon Guerrero. Wow. Guam was colonized by Spain in 1668 with settlers. During the Spanish-American War, the U.S. took over Guam in 1898. Japan took over Guam in World War II for dominance. The U.S. took them over again in 1950. The indigenous Chamorros settled the land approximately 4,000 years ago. Some major issues in Guam have been that there have been multiple allegations of human rights. The U.S. military have been very strict on their laws because they're the indigenous people. They're trying to take them over. The military buildup in Guam has led to violations of rights against the Chamorros under international law as well. Smaller ethnic groups are the Philippine, the Japanese, the Chinese, the Islanders, and also the Koreans. A lot of Asians have come to Guam. There has been some racism towards these minority groups as well. The Attorney General is now investigating prior elections. Last term's election was supposedly rigged. People are saying that the election was had pre-marked ballots. Please.
Hey, whoa, are you writing fake ballots?
No!
Hey.
The climate in Guam, normally the general weather conditions in Guam are warm throughout the year and then less humid during November to March, the winter-fall period. The average yearly rainfall is 84 to 116 inches, which is actually a pretty decent rainfall. The average temperature in Guam is 76 degrees Fahrenheit to 88 yearly. They use the Fahrenheit because they are part of the United States. That is the end of our climate.
Dress-wise, many Guam residents dress in comfortable and casual clothing such as t-shirts, sweatpants, and sandals. However, there are also many opportunities to dress up, such as formal events or nightclubs. One of the most popular clothing items in Guam is the Chamberlain shirt. The residents in Guam listen to a type of music called Sihamaru music, a key element in modern-day Guam. The sounds of modern Sihamaru music are diverse, ranging from older-style batsu, jitterbug, and cha-cha to country and western disco, rock and roll, and island-style reggae. For holidays, just like the mainland, residents celebrate traditional U.S. holidays such as New Year's, also the 4th of July and Christmas. One holiday unique to the island is Liberation Day, celebrated on July 21st. Religions in Rome consist of Christian 94.2%, folk religion 1.5%, Buddhist 1.1%, and other unaffiliated religions. Unique foods in Guam are such things as chicken, calaguini, isabichi, and finini barbecue short ribs. Guam's natural resources consist of coral reefs, Guam's amazing caves, fungus, and Guam's forests. Environmental issues in Guam are mostly ocean problems. Guam and the other Pacific islands are experiencing sea level rise higher than the global average. Oceans are warming, causing coral bleaching that is already widespread and severe.
Since Guam is a territory of the United States, it has most of the same allies. Guam, however, is closer with most Pacific islands such as Tuvalu and Fiji. Guam is also pretty close with Japan and Thailand. Guam also has relations with the Philippines. In conclusion, Guam is a very important World War II asset with many war sites and a very unique culture with the Chamorro people. Guam is a very ethnically diverse region with many beautiful landmarks and different cultures. Thank you for watching.